Bazalwan, before I get into a lot of things, I really want to address this nature. Um, there's a comment, hey Bonile, and I think I'll just show you the pop up here. This is very disrespectful. I sizama ukukhuluma isilungu mhlambe ngizongizwa kahle. This is not a platform for people to come here and express their issues with a certain individual or a certain church. Okay? There's a reason why I always say I post non toxic Zion problem. If you have an issue with a certain individual, call them. If you don't have their numbers, it means you don't know them well enough for you to have an issue with. And you're not going to come on this platform and have such comments. I'll rather have you unfollow, or I'll rather have you unfollow me on TikTok if you do, and unsubscribe to this YouTube channel. You're not going to bring your negativity here. Okay? There's a lot of nonsense happening in Zion. But you don't see me using this platform for that. And there's also a lot of positive things as in Zagala and Zion. I am here to build a community. This these are type of things that I will definitely not tolerate here. Okay? I'd rather even not have I'd rather not even meet you as well. I don't care. I don't care. I don't want this on my platform. I don't want, and I definitely don't want to address this issue again. Umdala for lento yenzayo. You are old, bro. Uzophosta ukuthi usibani maka singenaphi thina? Like singenaphi kuma-politic wakhona? Asigenda. It's none of our business. If you have an issue, try Facebook or try TikTok. Go post this nonsense Lego TikTok, not on this platform, bro. Like you got me worked out because I am doing the best I can to make sure with the people feel safe and people actually enjoy what we do. Uyafika wena uzoposta into ey'fana nalezi. Even if you can unsubscribe, my guy, I don't care. Angihlephukile indawo mfethu. I am trying to protect the generation of ingane zothatha lokhu, the generation is Zion, and also to preserve a culture Zion. Not ukuthi hey usibani, asingeni ndawo. Don't post such things. And please, guys, I will definitely not address such issues. I don't want into ey'fana nalezi on this platform. Angizifuni. Okay? Let's make it a non-toxic Zion platform. Simple. And abantu abafana nalezi, ama-comment aso, I will definitely block this guy from interacting with my page. And definitely. I'm not gonna play like that. Okay? So, asitume! Ngiyabonga bafethu! Danko! Ethula badlele! Mfana kagama lo, welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion music. We break down animation, try and get the message behind the song. You know, basically we give our positive feedback, we encourage other people. Abanye nyabakwara as usual. And ngiyayazi bafethu, asinandaba ukuthi ubani wenzani nobani. Basically, non-toxic Zion music. What is up, bro? Yeah. So, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, I don't know. And firstly, guys, I really want to apologize. Ne? Yesterday's video, I didn't notice that the video did not have sound on it. I phela manje uma umuntu editor, there's one sound that you mute. I didn't realize I muted all the sounds. Post the video. Uma ngalala phela manje ngibukela video myself, there is no sound. I really apologize for that. I am so sorry for that. So now because it's Saturday, probably I've uploaded another video. Probably it's a short video if I did. And if I did not, I'm sorry, man. You know, I always work for the day following. You understand? So Job agree Saturday, you watching this. You shoot at this on a Friday. Because I'm trying to avoid double or things like that. But probably I have uploaded a video. I hope I did. And if I didn't, I'm so sorry. So we got a recommendation from one of Umchita, was across. I forgot his name. I didn't even save him by his name either. But he recommended. Yo, so his recommendation is recommende Mercy of Cross. Abaku yeah abakuye ba banobombi. Abakuye banobombi. Does it mean humility? I don't know what ubombi means, but I know it has to do with humility. So it's a song. It's not a video. It's a song. And yes, guys, I do react to songs specifically. If somebody recommends obviously a song, I will do that. Not only just doing videos apparently, but if it's related to Zion for sure. But the only albums reactions I'm not gonna do is like old ones. For now, I'm focusing on newer stuff. But for sure, if there are older songs that you want me to react to, churches maybe that I've never heard of, don't be shy. Just give me your recommendation, and we will most definitely dive right into it. So let me do this for a second. And yo, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, man, nah, I don't have to. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. One, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like my videos. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. And don't forget to give me recommendations as well, because I mean, Nami, you guys are also exposing me to more churches, and let's grow this platform. As I am posting this, we are currently sitting on 353. So we are basically 47 subscribers away from 400. So I really want to make everything nice and easy for you guys. Nam ngiyafuna ukuthi mani reactor and see what I'm doing. So without wasting you guys' time, you know what it is. Mercy of Cross. Yeah, Mercy of Cross. Abaguye banobombi. So without wasting you guys' time, astume.
Abakuye.
I've never heard it play so before. I have never heard it bass so. It's the first time. I have never heard it bass bafethu. I swear. I have never heard it bass. Yeah. I that the leader, man, the voice is familiar, man. I don't want to say I don't want to get people mixed up, but that leader's voice is familiar, man. It's very familiar. Who no leader la, guys? Guys, please do let me know, man. Ngisabafunda laba. Ziningi lezi. Mercy of Cross. Have I reacted to the? I think I have. I think I have. But now I'm not sure ukuthi abobani abasonta la, because angifuni ukumention, because it sounds like ukuthi ulani Madonsela. No man, no, I'm lying, man. I ain't kunalo Bubis, right? And then there's the other one, Hleza Shaikif. It sounds like him. But then again, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But who is leading here, guys? Those voice and is I
esodlula phakade
no.
nanxa sebephelelwe zithetha phambi wenu yokubezwa bayafika amalanga wobunzima Yesu kodwa ngoba bakuwe
Guys, wait, hold on, wait. Is Mercy of Cross a church or a choir? Guys, because like now my voice, man. How messed up it is to hear something and not be sure. Yo, that's number one. E-Bass is fantastic. E-Bass is fantastic. It's first party, consistent chord, and then it keeps rising. But those voices, man. Guys, but I'm gonna understanding something. Yes, I will react to a song. I mean I will react to a church about a song. Some Most of the time it's hard to remember. It is because uzongithola in a space of 2 weeks. We told that church in Rekteguye on the Monday. By the following week, I forgot the face. No good thinking a reactor. I forget because abanye bash. The easier ones, man, language child. It's easier for me to remember them. This clearly shows. Well, guys, give me a second. Someone is hollering at me. Anywho, now that I'm back, I took a trust me, guys. I took a minute. So yeah, no, I just found out to go to know Mess of Cross is a church, I imagine as maneza la makwaya nanani yaizwa nalapha so sichube.
yokubezwa bayafika amalanga wobunzima Yesu kodwa ngoba bakuwe nanoma sebephelelwe kuthetha phambi kwakho fefe lwakho luyoba nabo endleleni yo abafelokazi nabo basonjalo yise inkedama zisonjalo
Oh no! Oh no, that's a bar actually. Oh, so essentially, this song, it talks about, from my understanding, it's a song that talks about, ukuduka kwabantu because of certain things. It could be marriage, it could be death, it could be a lot of things, and they have to come back to God. Oh no, that's a bar. because yes, you have to like listen to a song and like get the message and be like, oh damn, that's what it means. Oh no, for sure. I mean, it happens. It happens, man.
abafelokazi nabo basho njalo yise inkedama zisho njalo yise bathi impilo ingcono kuwe uNkulunkulu omdala nabathandazi basho njalo baba abangakaboni basazobona.
Yo, hi guys. Hi. No. This song is powerful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Yo. I Lineage. Thank you, man. Thank you for this. Wow. No, this song is powerful. Oh my god. Oh, Nkosi yami. Oh, Nkosi yami. Yo, no, this song will speak to your soul. This song will speak to your soul. The truth behind the song, oh, it's insane. And back to ish. It's a pity, guys, that I uploaded a video and I forgot this. And there's something I said. Google video, I said true worshippers. I said, watch how true worshippers make their music. True worshippers is mainly, praise God. And then upege how most Zion songs are relatable to us. I was like, I can tell Nandi about a church showing you why they deserve the name that they have. You see, Mercy of Cross, you understand, Uguti, they are telling you about the mercy of God. Uguti, it happens. Umuntu goes through stuff, thinks it's okay. It would have been better if they were dead, or they believe God is not around, or God is not alive. People go through stuff, divorces, people lose their kids. Like, dog, you crumble. And then you're like, but if God be like, none of this, and then you find people bad too, come fine. But they say, Buyan. Yo. Umusongaga. Bafethu, umusongaga siwuthola. Yes. Yo.
nabathandazi basho njalo baba abangakaboni basazobona abangakwazi basazokwazi uNkulunkulu
Momilo momngapeli
sethembe egameni elinamandla nathi sethembe egameni elinqobayo
Yo! Ay! Ay, 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 ay. I'm my earphone, my tracer. Oh my god. No, Miss of Cross. Aye. Somebody, oh, you ain't just Kokota. Aye, Miss of Cross. Aye. Mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. Mm. That was powerful. Whoever wrote that song, man. Whoever wrote that song, big ups, man. That was a very powerful song. Very powerful song, man. It speaks to the heart. It speaks to the masses, man. It's a powerful song. Oh, anywho, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like my videos, and make sure that you share them around. So, yo, in the favorite ways, just to adios.